Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. So let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys. Few cards for your daily energies. So let us pick the cards now. This is for your daily energies, guys. And we'll be picking 3 cards for your daily energies. This may relate to your work situation or what you feel today, or it may also relate to your personal life, guys, to your relationship. And these are for your relationship. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. And we'll be picking an angel card. So we'll see what it is at last. So that is the angels guidance message, guys. So we'll turn the cards for your daily energies. Libras, King of Cups in reverse, 8 of Pentacles, oh sorry guys, 7 of Pentacles, the Star, Libras. With this card, the energy is that, guys, you are getting back into the game, guys. You are regaining your dreams and your hopes for your future. You feel that inspiration, and you have that firm conviction that things are going to go in a particular way, and you are really happy. You you have overcome all your troubles, and you are feeling that harmony, and you are feeling really that sense of accomplishment today, guys. So though you may be having some troubles in your work or in your personal life, you may be seeing some conflicting situations or some challenges coming your way, but you are finding that happy place within yourself, and you are boosting your confidence and courage today, guys. So you are seeing the goals, whatever you need to reach your future, and you are planning your actions based on that, and you're really happy for it, guys. That is the energy with these cards. And maybe for some of you all, you are considering the different approaches, what you need to do to reach your goals. So whatever needs to be done, they are clearly identifying the different options they have. This may relate to your work situation or in your relationship. They are seeing the options, how to convince you, how to make this relationship work, and what they need to do in this relationship. So they are thinking of everything deeply, and they are happy for the way things are going, guys. Today maybe certain areas need certain changes. That is what even they feel. So you may have few challenges in your work or in this relationship because of some people be not coming out with the truth, or you may face certain loss in your work situation. Something is stressing you, but overall energy is that, guys, Libras, you are really happy for those things that are moving towards a positive state. So that is the way you feel today, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your relationship. The first card, the Fool, Ace of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, Libras, the energy with this card is that, guys, maybe if you are single and if you are waiting for someone to come, this may be the time, guys. Someone is coming towards you, and it may not be one person, it may be many people may be interested in you, guys. So you may have people approaching you, they may like you for what you are, and you have many choices today, guys. That is what I feel here. But you may decide on someone. You are rushing towards somebody, some kind of new beginning, or towards this person you are already in this relationship with. You are really passionate about them, and you dream about them, you fantasize about them often, and you think of your future together, and you want to be there with them. So you are having those many possibilities for your future, and you just want those things to manifest, guys. That is the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you have many people attracted towards you. This may be if you are single, and if you are open to relationship, you may have people coming and proposing to you. They want to be with you in this relationship, and maybe for some of you all, you may choose a person who is great for you, who is really compatible, but you are undecided whom to choose, because the choices you have, all the choices are really good. So making that one good choice is really a difficult thing for you, Libras. That is what I see here with these cards, guys. And that is the energy for your relationship. So if you are a person with in a relationship, in a good connection, you may be stepping forward with engagement or marriage. You may be rushing towards that positive forward step. Or if you are a person who is single, there may be a new person, or there may be many people approaching you, trying to propose to you, and you have many choices coming your way, guys. So that is what I see here with these cards, Libras. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. What is the guidance? This is the angel card. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means the angels are there with us, guiding us today, guys. So the meaning of that card. So in life, we often need courage and strength to do the things that you need to do to take up this life journey. So sometimes we may feel some kind of attraction towards certain paths in our life, or that gut feeling towards something, or we may have some visions or dreams about some things that we need to do. So these are just there to help us align towards our life purpose. So each and every one of us, we have a unique purpose in our life, guys. So when we get those visions or those dreams or some kind of intuitions regarding what path we should take up in life, or what choices we need to make, you have to give up that fear, that which is holding back on all those negative thoughts and emotions, that which is holding us down. So we need to look forward to these kind of intuitive guidance, or that gut feeling you have about any situation, guys. So it just means that the angels are there guiding us today, Libra. So when we go with those decisions, we have that strength, we feel that strength and courage within ourselves. So that is the reading for you all, Libras. Hope you liked it, guys. If it resonated, please like and comment. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.